Paramshanti. Today we explore detachment, the path to supreme peace. Detachment does not mean renouncing the world. It means living in the world but not being controlled by it. It is not coldness, it is freedom, not indifference but higher love. We suffer not because we have desires, but because we are attached to them. Detachment brings space, space brings clarity, and clarity brings peace. Detach from outcomes, detach from ego, detach from control. Do your karma, offer your actions, and let go. Love deeply, but without possession. Care, but without controlling. Detachment in love is freedom for both souls. Detachment is not running away, it is rising above. Like a lotus, untouched by muddy water. Be in the world, but above its illusions. I am free, I am centered, I am peaceful. This is the fruit of detachment. This is the path to Paramshanti. Paramshanti.
बेहद की